Clamor for change in the face of NTA screen and to meet up with modern trends necessitated this two-day training workshop for reporters from South-South and South-East network centers in the coverage of 2023 general elections. The training centered on paradigm shifts from being reporters to storytellers.
It's an amazing something that NTA has done for reporters.
Giving us the state of art facilities for us to know the digital aspect of reporting, which is the trending thing. As a political reporter, I now know exactly what to look out for at the polling units.
You must know that training is one of the bedrock of every progressive organization, and the training has exposed us to the best way of writing.
The host Zonu Director, Evelyn Wosu, and the resource persons are filled with great expectations from the trainees.
At the gates, everybody that works in NTA, let them know that you have not seen me. And if you have no knowledge and you don't share it, it's like smile. You keep your smile to yourself is useless. When you have the knowledge, you share it.
Hoping that the little that we provided will be maximized so that we can achieve our desired results.
There's nothing new that we are teaching our staff. They are intrepid, they are determined, they are resolute, they are creative. What we have only tried to do is perhaps reacquaint them with some of the modus operandi of modern reportage.
Remember, great reporting stirs the viewer's emotion. From Port Harcourt, ChinyereFessy Okoye, NTA News.